Ready to level up your Discord server with the power of YouTube integration? First things first, open up Discord and head over to your user settings by clicking the little gear icon next to your username in the bottom left corner. Now, on the left-hand side menu, find and click on the Connections tab. This is where all the magic happens. You'll see a list of platforms you can connect to Discord. Find the YouTube icon. It looks like a red play button inside a white rectangle. Click on that YouTube icon. A window will pop up asking you to authorize Discord to access your YouTube account. This is perfectly normal, and Discord needs this permission to show your activity and let you stream. Choose the Google account associated with your YouTube channel. You'll then be asked to grant Discord some permissions. Review these carefully, and if you're happy with them, click Allow. Boom, you're connected. You should now see YouTube listed in your connections with options like Display on Profile and Display YouTube as your status. Toggle these on if you want your friends to see what you're watching. Now, to share YouTube videos directly, simply copy the YouTube link and paste it into any text channel. Discord will automatically generate a preview. And for the ultimate community experience, use the Watch Together feature in voice channels to stream YouTube videos with your friends. Just click the rocket icon in the voice channel. If you ever want to disconnect YouTube from Discord, just return to the Connections tab, find YouTube, and click the X icon. And that's it. You've successfully linked YouTube to Discord. Get ready for enhanced community engagement and seamless content sharing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Discord tips and tricks.